Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Um, Today it's actually Saturday. I've told you yesterday, um, the day after a King's Day. Um, got the flu. Yes, couldn't continue with the puzzles. Need to rest. um, so we have a lot of puzzles to solve. Today is actually Saturday, but this newspaper is Friday, April the 29th, 2022. So we have two newspapers to go with puzzles. And yeah, end of the month. So next week on Friday we have a test. Speed test, yes. But today, no speed test. Let me solve this not with speed, no. Oh, we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. 3 puzzles, and include these 2 regular puzzles will be 5 for today. Well, there's a lot because the Saturday edition I have not started, so a lot of puzzles to solve. Alright, so this one will be number I believe number 4477 4477. Yeah, 4477. 4477. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square, we have 9 big squares, has 4 printed digits. 36 printed digits. And if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this should be easier than the 1 star. For the 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe I need to be faster than 12 or 30 minutes. So let me say faster than 12 minutes, okay? Faster than 12 minutes. We will see. We will see. Minutes. Alright. Let's get started. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, no need to place left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Right. Okay. Then. Let me think. And yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row, third row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column. Last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. All right. Then yeah, the 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Then 8 in this row, third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row. Excuse me. 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, here 9, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Let me drink something. Alright. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Wow. Wow. The coughing is not great. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the third column. No 2 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Maybe I need to go to bed. Not still recovered from the flu. I believe it's the flu, it's not corona. I've done the corona test. PCR test, yeah. Alright. So the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay, 3. Okay, 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One box left in the second row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Wow. Let me finish this. It's getting worse. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Drink something. Well, the 12 minutes, it's already passed. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 2 missing number. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. Here also the same number, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, only place left for the 7. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6, it goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, with the interruption, yeah. Excuse me for the coughing, yes. Need to drink something. Take me a lot of energy with this Sudoku Light. Well, before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes. Collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. We have here the 623, 623, 978, 978, and 734. 734. 2 pairs, I believe. The 7 and the 3 as a pair. Alright, 2 pairs. Thank you. See you later for the heavy Sudoku later. Yes, in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.